Hello everyone, I would like to take this moment to greet all of you and welcome you to my channel and welcome you to this video. Thank you for clicking on this one. I thought of doing a different breakfast this day. I wanted to just have a heavy one. I know this one, it's not a thing that you can start the day with. I wanted to make gota, and it was a Saturday morning no, it was a Friday morning, guys. We had a long weekend and Friday was a holiday. So I thought I should have fun by making some bani chow. Here we call it a gota or spato, whereby you stuff in a lot of things inside. I'm going to make chips. I'm going to make Russian, the cheese, the polony, and acha. I wanted to make eggs, but I forgot, guys. At this moment, with my age, I must just write a list of things that I want to do because I tend to forget a lot of things. It was around 10, at 10:30 when you eat this, and the whole day we didn't eat anything. We were just snaking around until we are about to have a dinner. So basically we had 2 meals that day, and I just wanted to spoil them with kota or spato or bani chow, wherever you are and how you call it. I called them in 3 names right now, and yeah, it was nice. It was really a nice day to have this at home, because normally we buy it, but we don't really buy it more often. You find we buy it once, maybe in a 3 months, when I am lazy to cook. So do enjoy this video, and yeah, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. And oh yeah, for the sauce, the only thing that I have in the house is a tomato sauce and mayonnaise. So I mixed them together just to make a tasteful sauce. It's the thing that we normally do. We grew up doing that, eating it with rice. If you don't know this sauce, then I don't know, but that is the things that I have in the house. I can't have anything that I want because fridge. And again, my family, my friends, I would like to take this moment to thank you for supporting this channel. Thank you for watching the ads. It is really making a difference, I must tell you. Thank you for that. I bought these storage boxes from Plastic Shop. They were 175 if I'm not mistaken each, and these are 45 liters. So I wanted this thing to get rid of things like this boxes. You see, my son is putting in things. Come, I want to get rid of boxes like those ones on top of the cupboard there. They don't look nice. I have things that I can't throw them away, but I don't use them, and you see, boxes can create cockroaches. Even this one here on top of this wardrobe, it must go. So I bought the transparent ones because I don't know, but I feel like I like the transparent ones. I don't mind if things are showing as long as they are packed in together and I can just move or wipe dust outside, move and sweep where they will be staying, and the environment will be clean also. Yeah, there are a lot of things that I need to get rid of. This is what I wanted to store in. And look at the boxes that I had. There are 4 boxes there. Just ask yourself, where were other ones situated? And this one here is full. So I'll have 2 nice storage boxes, unlike those cartoons. Isn't this looking nice? This is way better This is better. Yo, yeah. Even if they are transparent, but I do not mind. Everything is secured perfectly. What a beautiful day. Guys, I always call a guy. I have a specific guy that cuts my trees, and he only cuts 2 trees because this big one that is green or towards my head, I want to take it down at some point. He comes and cut 2 trees, and these ones, the ones that I'm cutting at this moment, I just want to cut them on my own until they get together the shape that I want it to be. So these ones I cut them on my own because I don't want any mistake. I really don't want any mistakes, because even the trees, I always coach him that no, go there and cut this side, go cut that side, go cut this side. So this one I do them on my own, and I really enjoy cutting them. I do cut them more often because they grow up quickly. Whatever a new leaf that comes out, I make sure that I cut it out so that it can grow inside and fill up the voids that are still there. I need it to be like I need a round decorated China's gold. This thing is called a China's gold, and I want it to be round. I don't want steps or different kind of guys, English depleting on me. Different kind of decoration. Maybe you have steps there, you have a 4-cornered and all that. What I want is a round shape, and that means when my flowers comes, when my roses grow, they will compensate, they will complement the round shape. I do love other shapes, but my preference at this moment is this round one. And I think we are in a fall season, we are in autumn. Trees are falling. My trees are evergreen, but at some point it's a must that something has to fall. So I always sweep under the trees so that they can look nice, because that's where we relax most of the time.
When I fall asleep, yeah, I need you with me by my side. It's all I know now. I need you with me by my side. I need someone to hold my mind. I need someone to hold my mind. When the sun comes down.
So we are in the season of autumn and about to harvest so soon. So we are ready to eat from our own land. We are ready to eat from our own hard work. So I've just collected this maize meal to cook from my relative. Now I don't have in my yard. I once tried to plant this, but it was just a waste of time because I didn't take care of them. Yeah, I'm just about to go and have a beautiful moment with this one. Thank you for watching, and thank you for liking and subscribing. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I need some